Okay, good morning everyone. And I've got some good news as well as bad news. The good news is that today I'm going to teach you how to change tires. And the bad news is I have a flat tire. Look at that. Just gone flat. And these guys are going to help me. Okay, come. So my jack is situated underneath the car seat. And now I'll take the jack out. Okay. Put the spanner there and push down. If you can't, then you just take your leg and leverage. Just lever that. So now you loosen that. The next step is this is where we're gonna jack. That's the culprit. You see, the air is leaking. Got a pin. Okay. Yeah. So we found that in. This is a temporary tire, a space saver tire for this. So you can use this only for emergency. Get this fixed and then go to the closest tire shop to get the other tire replaced. So with this tire, you can only drive to a maximum of 80 kilometers per hour. Not beyond that, because it won't be safe. That's how you change the tires. There's one tire. I didn't know exactly where